Got it here, vintage pencil sharpener. Plug it in and then just spin it. As you can see, it's very fast. It rotates the pencil at the same time and pushing it down, and boom, wow. And then pull this out and throw that away. Vintage pencil sharpener, check this out. You just rotate it and sharpen it. Once you got it good, you sharpen it really nice and fast. Pretty funny. Got it here, vintage pencil sharpener. So you knock it in like this, and it will grind it up. It will mount to the table. You kind of have to push it a little bit forward for it to sharpen your pencil. So as you can see, it has a bunch of gears and grinders, and it's grinding the pencil up by sharpening it this way. Boom, check this out. That's really sharp. Got it here, another vintage pencil sharpener. Check out this blade, so cool. And also this is self-feeding. What you do is put the pencil through and it will push it towards the blades, and all you have to do is just sharpen it. Look at that. Makes it a really quick job out of it. Boom, and look at that sharpened pencil. Got it here, another vintage pencil sharpener. Put it through and then you push it forward. Right here, it mounts to the table, and then it will grind up the pencil. You see how it's spinning the pencil and spinning the grinder. It does a really fine, quick job, and look how sharp and pointy that pencil is. That's so cool. Got it here, portable vintage pencil sharpener. Plug it in and tighten it up. Then you pull this out and it will push it forward and will sharpen the pencil. Because this pencil, it was completely unsharpened, we reset it and go again. Okay, let's check on this, and you got sharpened pencil, and it will come off. And the way it works, you see it's just spinning the sharpener. Super simple, and just plug it in, lock it, and it will hold the pencil inside here and push it forward. Pretty awesome. Got it here, another pencil sharpener. This one right here is German. Let's see how it works. As you can see, there's a multiple blades in there. Let's put it through, see what happens. You kind of have to push it down a little bit. Although it does it really well, you just have to lower it down. You see it? Okay, there you go. That's come pushing it down. So nice and quick. Again, the problem is I don't think these pencils are thick enough. Back in the day, I think they were much thicker. But yeah, then you pull this out and take it all. One of a kind pencil sharpener. So the pencil will go right into here and it will hold it. And if I twist it up and down, the pencil will spin. And this side here is like a sharpener. And let's see. Okay, pull it out, and it's even better now. Love it. Mitsubishi pencil sharpener. How cool is that? Just like a car maker. So thinner or thicker? So let's go on one new pencil. Incredibly sharp, beautiful. Okay, I break it off. Let's do all the way right here on the, I don't know, 7, 6, See what happens. And there it is, perfectly sharpened with the flat on the top right here. And if I want to do sharper, then it's incredibly sharp again. Beautiful.